In the year 2020, a groundbreaking study revealed that deposits in our arteries, known as plaques, can not only be stabilized but, under certain conditions, even reversed. This finding contradicts the decades-long belief that these deposits are an irreversible process. But how exactly does this work? What measures are crucial, and what does this mean for our understanding of cardiovascular diseases? Cardiovascular diseases are among the leading causes of death worldwide. A central element in this is the formation of fat deposits in the artery walls. These deposits arise from the accumulation of fat, calcium, and inflammatory tissue, often triggered by chronic metabolic disorders such as insulin resistance. Research findings show that particularly soft fat deposits are dangerous, as they are unstable and can more easily lead to blood clots. These clots are, in turn, the main cause of heart attacks. In contrast, calcified stabilized deposits pose a significantly lower risk. Early detection of such deposits can be crucial. A specialized examination method, the carotid intima media thickness test, has proven to be particularly effective. It not only measures the thickness of the vessel walls, but also identifies the type of fat deposits. Unlike conventional stress tests, which only assess blood flow, this method provides precise information about the underlying processes in the arteries. A comprehensive long-term study showed that the results of such tests not only allow for better risk assessment, but can also form the basis for targeted interventions. While diagnostics serve as the starting point, nutrition plays a crucial role. Scientific studies have shown that a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet, also known as a ketogenic diet, can significantly reduce risk. This dietary approach not only lowers blood sugar levels but also has anti-inflammatory effects on the arteries. In particular, the avoidance of processed carbohydrates and sugars seems to provide the greatest benefit. Instead, the body is trained to use fat as its primary energy source, resulting in fewer harmful metabolic byproducts that could burden the vessel walls. In addition to nutrition, exercise also plays a key role. Just 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. High-intensity interval training and targeted strength training, such as for the leg muscles, promote glucose metabolism and improve overall heart health. Furthermore, regular exercise helps increase the stability of deposits by reducing inflammatory processes in the body. But what happens when lifestyle changes alone are not enough? Here, medications and dietary supplements can be used as complementary options. Studies show that low-dose statins can lower inflammation levels and stabilize soft fat deposits without excessively affecting cholesterol levels. Vitamin D3, vitamin K2, and magnesium can also play supportive roles in these processes. Nevertheless, one thing remains clear: no medication can fully replace the positive effects of a healthy lifestyle. In summary, cardiovascular diseases are not an unavoidable fate. By combining modern diagnostics with a tailored diet and regular exercise, not only can risks be minimized, but existing damage can also be actively addressed. It is worthwhile to reflect on one's health and integrate the latest scientific findings into daily life. Research shows every change counts, and the path to a healthy heart begins with the first step. Have you already experienced a transition to a heart-healthy diet or a more active lifestyle? Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments. The links to the studies mentioned in this video can be found in the video description. As always, we wish everyone a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.